A civil authority has issued a blue alert for Alabama beginning at 12:57 p.m. November 20, 2021, and ending at 1:12 p.m. November 20, 2021. The state of Alabama has issued an emergency blue alert. The Alabama Law Enforcement Agency State Bureau of Investigation is asking for your assistance in locating Randy Lee Wade. Wade is being sought in connection to the injury of an Alabama state trooper and is believed to be a serious risk to the public. Wade was last seen on November 19, 2021, at approximately 11:45 p.m. at Alabama Highway 28 and I-2059. In Livingston, Alabama. If you have any information regarding the location of Randy Lee Wade, please contact the State Bureau of Investigation at 334-676-7250 or call 911.